Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something really important. How much does a software developer earn in 2025? If you are planning to enter this field or already working as a developer, this will give you clear idea of what to expect. In 2025, the salary of a developer depends on three major factors: experience, skills and location. On average, a software developer in India earn around 6,69,000 as per year, with a base salary of about 6 lakh, but this can vary widely based on expertise and company. For beginners with 0 to 2 years of experience, salaries usually start from 3,50,000 per year. As you gain experience and move to a mid-level role, which is around 2 to 5 years, your salary can jump to 6 lakh to 10 lakh per year. And if you are a senior developer with over 5 years of experience, you can easily earn more than 10 lakh per year or even higher in top companies. Your specification also play a huge role in determining your earnings. Front-end developer typically earn between 5 lakh to 12 lakh, while back-end developer can make anywhere from 6 lakh to 14 lakh. But the highest demand is for full stack developer who can earn 6 lakh 50,000 to 16 lakh per year because they handle both front-end and back-end. Another important factor is location. If you are working in tech hubs like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai or Delhi NCR, your salary will be one of the higher side. In Bangalore, for example, software developer earn between 7 lakh to 15 lakh per year depending on experience and skills. So is software developer is a good career in 2025? Absolutely. The demand for developers is growing every year and companies are willing to pay higher salaries for skilled professionals. The key to earning more is learning new technologies, improving problem solving skills and staying updated with industry trends. What do you think about these salaries? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next one.